Welcome to our channel. If you want to turn off voice guide on your LG TV, follow this quick guide to disable the audio descriptions feature. Step 1. Turn on your LG TV and press the settings button on your remote control, which looks like a gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to all settings using the directional buttons on your remote and press OK to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select accessibility from the list of options in the settings menu. Step 4. Find and select audio guidance or voice guidance from the accessibility options. Step 5. Toggle the audio guidance or voice guidance option to off using the OK button on your remote. Step 6. If you don't see audio guidance in accessibility, check under General Settings and look for an audio or sound section where voice guide might be located. Step 7. Once you've turned off the feature, press the back or exit button to return to normal TV viewing. Step 8. Test that voice guide is disabled by navigating through your TV menu. You should no longer hear audio descriptions of the menu items you're selecting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.